Good day everyone, I am ERICO sa Lagrama from Group 1 and for today's video, I am going to share to you my idea, thoughts, and explanation about grounded theory. What is grounded theory? Grounded theory is a qualitative strategy for researching a specific event or process and generating new ideas based on evidence collected and analyzed in actual world. It is also an inductive technique in which new ideas are produced from data as opposed to traditional hypothesis deductive research methods, which include creating hypothesis and then attempting to prove or disprove it. It is also a method that used to acquire data, analyze data, and formulate theories. The data collection and analysis continues until theoretical saturation is reached, at which point no new information can be added to your new theory. When you should use grounded theory? When there is no existing theory that explains the phenomenon you are examining, you should consider using grounded theory. It can also be employed if an existing theory exists, but it is likely incomplete because the data used to create the theory was not obtained from the group of individuals you intend to study. So, there are 6 benefits of using grounded theory. First, finding accurate represent the real-world setting. Second, finding are tightly connect to the data. Third, great for new discoveries. Fourth, offer strategies for analysis. Fifth, buffer against information bias. And lastly, data collection and analysis are streamlined. So, let's start with the first benefit, which is the finding accurate represent real-world setting. The theories you develop using grounded theory are derived directly from real world. Why? It is because participants in real-world setting using method like in in-depth interviews and observation. So your finding will more accurately represent the real world. This is in contrast to other research approaches because it occurs in less natural setting like research labs or focus group tables. Okay, second benefit of grounded theory is findings are tightly connected to the data. So this benefit, it is primarily relies on connection or collection data to determine the final outcome. The findings are tightly connected to the data. Why? Because this is in contrast to other research approaches that rely more heavily on external research framework or theories that are farther removed from the data. For the third benefit of grounded theory is great for new discoverers. Why? Because it has a strong inductive research method for discovering new theories. You don't go in any preconceived hypothesis about the outcome. It is because are not concerned with validation or description. Instead, you allow the data you collect to guide your analysis, the theory creation leading the novel discoveries. So that is the great for new discoveries. The fourth benefit of grounded theory is offer strategies for analysis. So this benefit, it is a process of grounded theory strategies, a process that describes specific strategies for analysis that can be incredibly helpful. While grounded theory is a very open and ended methodology, the analysis strategies enable you to stay structured and analytical in your discovery process. So, the fifth benefit of grounded theory is data collection and analysis are streamlined. Data collection and analysis are tightly interwoven. As you collect data, you analyze it. And as you learn from analysis, you continue to collect more data. This helps ensure that the data you collect is sufficient and also enough to explain the findings that the series arise from analysis. And the last benefit of grounded theory is buffers against information bias. So, these benefits, its data collection analysis are tightly interwoven. You are truly following the emerging. What is emerging from the data itself? This provides a great buffer against confirming preconceived beliefs about your topic. So those are the 6 benefits that if we are going to use this theory, which is the grounded theory. So we can directly know on how to use what are the steps of this theory, which is the grounded theory. So here are the steps if we are going to use the grounded theory. These are data collection, coding and tagging or analysis. Third, revising data collection or method through theoretical sampling. And third and fourth or last, theory building. So with these 4 steps, we can create our grounded theory effective and creative and valuable with the use of this knowledge or this theory. So as a whole, as we all know about this topic or theory, it is grounded theory. So as a whole, it's provide a framework for surfacing insights from a large range of data sources. So the purpose of this theory is to generate theories that emerge from or are grounded in data. So it is used to uncover learnings around process, social relationships, and behaviors of groups. So that are the knowledge or ideas or thoughts or explanation about grounded theory. So thank you for watching.